Hey babe,
Yes.
you know how I've been wanting another truck?
Uh-huh.
Well, I decided to get you something instead.
You did? Wow! Okay. This is a surprise. Keys. For what? Is this keys for a truck?
No?
Okay, what is it for? You're scaring
Well,
me.
let's go take a look.
Okay. You got me a tractor.
Yeah?
A tractor.
Yeah?
No thanks. I'm good.
What?
No thanks.
You don't like it?
No thanks.
What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got a Kubota XB2380. It's not another truck yet, but I do have some upgrades. I've been waiting for some other stuff to come in, but due to the coronavirus, we're just waiting on that. So I'm gonna end up just throwing this couple things that I do have on it because we've been using the hell out of it out in the yard. And when the other stuff comes in, I'll probably do a little video putting that on there. And I mean, this is the two things I have. They're not huge at all, but just wanted to introduce the tractor to the channel. And we did do a road trip 2 weekends ago to go get some implements for it from my father. Had some stuff I could have from him, so I'll put some clips in here of of me tearing up the yards and what we got done so far. If you guys want to see videos on that stuff, let me know down in the comments. I have no problem making it, but it might be kind of boring seeing me go back and forth. But I'll probably end up doing a video of what I've done to the yard at the end. So just give you guys a walk around of the tractor. Here it is. It's nothing crazy. You can see we've been using it a little dirty. 2380. So got the mower deck off because we've been moving dirt. Don't need to mess that up too much. And I've seen those guys over there at Fire Punk. They've been doing some stuff with tractors, so we got this little wheel spinner here for the steering wheel. Make it nice for all of our turning. And then this guy is actually a level indicator for the bucket. The Kubotas do come with this little sticker guy. Let me see. But I think while using it and going back and forth, the indicator will be a lot easier. And it didn't come on mine, so I just picked it up. I got this stuff from Masika. I think that's how you say it, Masika, online. They got all kinds of stuff. If you have a little compact tractor, definitely check them out. They got a bunch of cool stuff on there. So let's just hop into getting this on. I don't think this is gonna be a very long video. So, I also picked up this grease gun, Milwaukee grease gun. So we'll unbox that here in a bit. I gotta go through and grease all the joints on here. I know you're probably thinking, well, that's overkill for a grease gun. Yeah, I probably could have got the $5 little grease gun, but you're supposed to grease this sucker up every 10 hours, 10, 15 hours. So I figured why not just have something quick and handy. I already got the batteries. So we just bought that gun. We'll do unboxing and test it out here, and let's get the level installed here. Alright, so let's start with the level bar. This is all we got. We better not lose that pin. Instructions, I'll probably just throw that out. It doesn't look too complicated. We only have a couple bolts here. Actually, on second thought, I might need those instructions. Grab those. I have no idea where this thing goes. So you can kind of put these wherever you want. You got the wheels straight. I mean, depending on if you want to put it down low, that way you can use it for both hands. Some people want it on the right, left. I think I'll end up putting mine on the left side so I can still control here. It's not too often that you're going with your right, so we'll just get this guy set up here. I think that's a good spot. Simple enough. We will test that out. If we need to adjust it, we will. I think that's good for now. Alright, so those were both very simple to install. Glad I didn't have the dealer do that for an extra fee. So next we will move on to the grease gun. Like I said, they told me you're supposed to do this about every 10 hours. I think we're at about 11 or 12 hours. Just got this in. Never done this or used one of these before. And I know it's probably overkill for the first time, but might as well. So let's open the box up and take a look at it. Grab some grease. I just got 2% Moeller grease. That's what the tractor calls for, this number 2. So we got that. And now to get this out, I'm going to pull this back, hook it in to the side. Then you just unscrew this back. Alright guys, well, as you can see, it's no longer daylight, it's sometime later. Had to go have dinner and hang out with the little guy for a while. It's just going to wrap up the video. I've realized when I was going around greasing all the fittings, which I already felt like an idiot because it took me so long to find them, I thought I knew where they were. But, you know, grease was leaking out. They're caked in dirt, whatever. But this good camera died. And switched over here to this old one. And forgot it had this sweet feature where it shuts off automatically. So, not sure how much footage we have there. I think I have some on the GoPro, so we'll check that out here. But anyways, yeah, like I was saying, this is probably a good one. I mean, I knew this one was, but there's some other ones buried in here. It's caked up with dirt. This one, it's back up in here. That was fun to find. So, anyways, so since this video was super short to begin with, we're gonna head out and sight in some rifles tomorrow, and I thought I'd just bring you guys along. Just another fun thing that we get to do out here. So I'll talk to you at the end of that tomorrow, and hope you guys enjoy.
Keep dancing with the devil, but it is a lie.